If your Whirlpool fridge is giving you that little orange warning about the water filter, yeah, it's time. In this video, I'm walking you through exactly how to replace the water filter in a Whirlpool French door refrigerator using the EveryDrop filter for it. Now, if this is your first time, don't stress, it's easier than it sounds. I'll take you through each step. The water filter in this model is located inside the fridge, tucked up at the top, usually in the center or upper right. First, open the compartment by pressing the tab or lever that pops the cover open. You'll see the old filter right there. To remove it, push the filter towards the socket just a little. It should feel like you're pressing it into place. While holding that pressure, twist it counterclockwise to the left and it'll release. Pull it out gently and set it aside. Next, grab your new filter. I'm using the EveryDrop Value Filter 4. Make sure to take off the plastic cap at the top and double check that the rubber O-rings are intact and clean. Now, here's a detail a lot of people miss. Because the socket is mounted in the ceiling of the fridge, you'll notice it's angled. That's totally normal. The socket is designed to move slightly to help you line things up, so don't worry if it tilts or shifts a bit while you're installing the filter. It's flexible. When you insert the new filter, you'll want to match it to the socket, tilt it down slightly, and push it in toward the socket firmly, not too hard, just with enough pressure to seat it. Once it's in, twist it clockwise to the right until it locks into place. You'll feel a soft click when it's secured. Close the compartment cover. It should snap back in easily. Now don't forget, flush the new filter. Run about 4 gallons of water through the dispenser to clear out any trapped air and loose carbon particles. It might look a little cloudy at first. That's normal. Once it runs clear, you're good. Last step, go to your fridge's control panel and reset the filter status. On most models, you just press and hold the reset filter button for 3 seconds. If you don't see a button, check the settings menu. The reset option will be there. And that's it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs, and leave a comment below if you've got questions about your fridge or filter. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fresh water.